Hello everyone, what's up? In the today's session, we will be looking at use of format painters, everything about Page Special. Why to wait? Let's go to Excel. Friends, in this sheet you can see cell C3 has been already formatted and I want to format these cells as well in the similar manner. To do so, you can use the format painter. You select the cell or the range where you want to copy the format from and click on Format Painter. Select the area where you want to paste the formatting. Now you can see the formatting has been saved from C3 to all these headers. Friends, let's say I want to copy the column J formatting to rest of the column. To do so, I need to select column J. Then I will double click on the Format Painter this time. Double click. Then you can see a brush next to the cursor. So now if I am clicking on column D to G, it is doing the same formatting for column D to G. And still it has not gone. I can click on column I, still you can see the brush. Until you click back the format painter, the brush will be available. So I'll click on the format painter. Now you can see it has gone. Remember friends, if you want to use the format painter only once, then you can click on the format painter once. But if you want to use it for the multiple times, you have to double click on the format painter. Once you completed your format painting, then you can click on format painter once again to close the format painter. Now we will see how Page Special works. Friends, you can see a table updated here. In this table, you can see all of these are constants and this one is a formula. Now let's copy paste these cells with the different options available in Page Special. Friends, remember to use the Page Special, you need to copy some cells. Otherwise, Page Special will not work. Friends, I will select this area and copy using Ctrl C and select where I want to paste and click on Paste, Page Special. Now you can see here we have the Page Special window. Here we are going to try formulas. So we will click on formulas and click on OK. Now you can see wherever the constants were there, you can see still the constants are appearing. Wherever the formula was there, you can still see the formula. Now we will copy the same area and select H3 and here I will use a shortcut Control Alt V for Page Special. Here we have to do values. So we will click on values and click on OK. Now you can see all the values are updated as it is. And if you see the formula is also converted as value. Now we will copy the area once again. And this time I will select K3 and right click. You can see Page Special option. Click on that. Now we are going to use column width. So I'll click on column width and click on OK. Now if you see the column width is automatically adjusted to the copied cells. Friends, if you see copied area is still available, so we will right click and click on Page Special and then this time we will use values and number formats. We'll click on OK. You can see the values has been updated. Still the copy area is copied. Now we will right click, Page Special and let's say formats and click on OK. Friends, now you can see we have pasted column width, values and number formats and also formatting by copying only once. Friends, let's say you want to add 10 hours for each month. In that case, it is not necessary that you have to use the formula or add one by one. You can use the Page Special. Let's say I want to add 10 for all these hours. So I will copy 10, select the area where I want to paste, Control Alt V. Then I will keep it as only values and then I will add. So I will click on OK. Now you can see all the cells has been added with 10. Similarly, to multiply, we will multiply by 2. So we'll copy, select the area where you want to multiply, Control Alt V, values and multiply. Friends, I am selecting values so that my formatting will not go, only values will be replaced. Click on OK. Now you can see 2 is multiplied for all the cells. Now we will see the special option skip blanks. This option many people doesn't know. So let's say you have submitted the data to your manager like this. And your manager says, no, for March it would be 50, for May it would be 80, and August it would be 100. In that case, you have to replace these new values to the old values, but wherever blank is there, you don't want to change anything. So it is not necessary that you have to do it manually. So you can use paste special in this case. So remember guys, if you are pasting in this area, then you have to select the equivalent area in the next column or wherever you are copying from. So I will copy, select the area where I want to paste, right click, paste special, and we can use skip blanks and OK. Now you can see 50 has been replaced, 80 has been replaced, and 100 has been replaced. Now we will see how paste link works. Let's say you want to link x3 to b3. So is equal to b3. Similarly, you have to drag it to the right side and drag it till down. To do this, you have an easier method in paste special. So I will go back. I will copy the area which I want to link. Select the cell where I want to paste. Right click, paste special. You can use paste links. So you can see everything has been linked. Now we are coming to the most important and famous option in paste special as transpose. Let's say you want this column data to be shown in the row wise. In that case, we will be using transpose. I will copy this area, go to the place where I want to paste, select the cell, right click. You can use paste special, or there are a couple of options you can see like paste, values, formulas, transpose, formatting, and paste links. So we want transpose, we'll be clicking on transpose. Now you can see the data by rows is changed to data by columns. Friends, I have tried to cover all the options available within Paste Special and Format Painter. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning Excel. Thank you so much.